Greetings, Shining Bulls and Shining Bears, and welcome to this, the 63rd episode of the Crypto Astrology Podcast. This is a short, special episode where I want to set out what I see for Bitcoin price through to March of 2025, next year. I see that Bitcoin starts a climb on Thursday, August 8th, when Mercury retrogrades past Venus in Magha Nakshatra. If Bitcoin does not fall below 59,650 by Thursday, August 8th, then Bitcoin is in good shape, relatively speaking. In that case, on Wednesday, August 14th, Mars passes Jupiter between 22 and 23 degrees of Taurus. Bitcoin is likely to pass 71,997.02 USDT on that date. It could retest then after that up to the all-time high of 73,777 and then start dropping, for example, in the days after that. That's just an example. On Monday, August 19th, Bitcoin is likely to retest the line set by Budh on July 21st of 68,366.66 USDT and then start climbing from there. From September 5th, or as early as the new moon of Monday, September 2nd, I see a serious drop because Sun is opposing Saturn. I see mid-September as bullish for Bitcoin, and that new highs are possibly set, particularly for Bitcoin, in the second half of September. However, like I said, that drop starting at the beginning of September looks serious. People are mentioning recession right now, but beginning of September is when the reality can actually start to really hit. A new downtrend, which is likely to be severe, starts when Mars enters Cancer on October 20th, 2024. This downtrend can last all the way through to mid-March of 2025 for everything. It can be potentially really bad, but it could also be much worse for TradFi markets than for Bitcoin. And there is even a case where money would flow into Bitcoin. However, in that scenario, things would have to be really bad worldwide, which we don't really want. Certain strong DeFi and altcoins are also likely to be more resilient than TradFi during that time period. You can read ShiningBull ALTCOINS 2024 for more ideas on that. So then, on Wednesday, March 12th, or possibly Tuesday, March 11th of next year, 2025, Bitcoin price retests to 73,777 USDT and then starts a new and very strong bull run, climbing past that line. This could be a situation where Bitcoin is falling from higher prices than 73,777 and then retests 73,777 as a support. Or the opposite, where it's climbing to retest 73777 and passes that resistance. This is because Wednesday, March 12th, 2025 is when Sun passes Saturn, exactly where Sun traveled on Thursday, March 14th, when Bitcoin first rose to 73,777 USDT. I recommend checking out both Bitcoin BTC 2024 predictions and Bitcoin by 2026. This way you have a lot of turning point dates, some of them everything I mentioned here is also in there. So when these events are unfolding, you can gauge whether you want to exit or enter. On the other hand, I would not recommend anyone exiting Bitcoin spot or Bitcoin that they own. Bitcoin is going to end up becoming the most resilient asset in the world, along with, in the longer term, MicroStrategy. By the way, another important book is Bitcoin Countries. I really recommend all these books. Also, please do read the disclaimer in the details section below. I haven't mentioned it here because this is not my typical script. This is a special episode because of what's happening in the markets. And you can keep referring back to it. Please stay tuned. I will be starting a Telegram channel. And the first post I will, I believe, make what I just told you here so that you can keep referring back to it. I'll share that Telegram channel soon. It will also, I think it will be useful. It will offer a little tool that could be useful also. And that's all I wanted to say. I will see you next week. I don't think I'm offering the trading signals this week because I am trying to get these. I'm doing a lot of work for the 2025 books, and I'm also trying to, like I said, prepare a new format or a few new formats so that it's more useful for all of you. And anyway, more sustainable for me. It's a lot of work. I don't know. I have to somehow, I get people like, which I of course appreciate, but I get people like emailing me, asking me if I need help with things, which I don't, but I understand people need work, and I think anyway, like I appreciate that, but no, I don't need those things that they message me for. But I actually, to be honest with you, what I need is to know how to scale, like how to, I'm at a moment with ShiningBull where it's actually a lot of work for just me, especially with what I want to be able to offer to you all. But I actually don't have experience with knowing how to scale something. I have friends who, in their own lives, of course, know how to do that, but I myself don't know how. So yeah, and then I'm worried. I don't want to like ask for that particular advice because I'm scared, because people will randomly email me asking me to hire them for random things, which I don't need. So anyway, I haven't mentioned it, and I don't know why I'm saying this right now, but that's my situation right now. And I recommend, if you're interested, get those 2024 books, because sorry, but another thing is 2025 books, I can't think of a way to not increase the price significantly because of a few reasons, which isn't just the money amount and inflation, of course. It's not just that. It's because of a few things. One is sharing of work, right? Because I digital books, and the other is to keep my price in line with certain other famous astrologers who are offering things that are relative to what I'm offering, or probably I'm offering more information. So, if you don't raise the value of the product, then people they don't know that the product is valuable. Anyway, that's why I'm saying, if you're interested in 2024 books, you should get them now, and also the Bitcoin by 2026 book. I'm just being honest with you. I'm just talking to you like that. So I hope you don't mind. And okay, so that's all for now, and I will see you next week. Thank you.